Try to translate into Spanish.
Pedro goes.
Pedro va.
To the store.
A la tienda.
Because he needs.
Porque necesita.
To buy milk.
Comprar leche.
Pedro goes to the store because he needs to buy milk.
Pedro va a la tienda, porque necesita comprar leche.
In the store.
En la tienda,
He sees a friend.
ve a una amiga.
Whose name is Anna.
Que se llama Ana.
At the store, he sees a friend named Anna.
En la tienda, ve a una amiga, que se llama Ana.
Pedro and Anna decide.
Pedro y Ana deciden.
To have a coffee.
Tomar un café.
Together.
Juntos.
After shopping.
Después de comprar.
Pedro and Anna decide to have a coffee together after shopping.
Pedro y Ana deciden tomar un café juntos después de comprar.
Where does Pedro go?
¿A dónde va Pedro?
Pedro goes to the store.
Pedro va a la tienda.
Why does Pedro go to the store?
¿Por qué va Pedro a la tienda?
Because he needs to buy milk.
Porque necesita comprar leche.
Where does Pedro see his friend?
¿Dónde ve Pedro a su amiga?
Pedro sees his friend at the store.
Pedro ve a su amiga en la tienda.
What is the name of Pedro's friend?
¿Cómo se llama la amiga de Pedro?
Pedro's friend is named Anna.
La amiga de Pedro se llama Ana.
Who decide to have coffee together?
¿Quiénes deciden tomar un café juntos?
Pedro and Anna decide to have coffee together.
Pedro y Ana deciden tomar un café juntos.
What do Pedro and Anna do after shopping?
¿Qué hacen Pedro y Ana después de comprar?
They decide to have a coffee together.
Ellos deciden tomar un café juntos.
When do they decide to have coffee together?
¿Cuándo deciden tomar un café juntos?
After shopping.
Después de comprar.